Want to share our inner fenders. We've designed a new inner fender for the C2s that will close off the far back compartment. As you can see in here, there's a panel that covers up where you can put computers, batteries. They both come out of here. And we've also put the provisions down in the front of both inner fenders, either side, to put a lineal actuator hidden behind the inner fender so you don't see it. We'll have a block-off panel that goes on the inside of it, of the wheel well, to cover it up. You'll make up a little boot here when you have the interior done. So, access panels to remove, put back in place, to hide items, places for a lineal actuator, left side or right side, depending on what side you want. And our biggest thing is to hide the actuator so when it's up, you're not seeing it. You're going to see the shaft out of the actuator is all you're going to see. We've incorporated a bracket we made coming off of our Roadster shop chassis. So you have it supported at the bottom and the top. And if you want to use one of our hoods, tell us and we'll reinforce it on the back side so that it makes it stronger. We'll eliminate the support if it's on the right hand side, and we'll also eliminate these. These we filled afterthought. We're building a new hood right now that you won't even see where that was or that was. And we'll have a reinforcement in here because this actuator has some strength behind it. More to come. What do you want to do? Go to the beach? Go to the casino?